Hello world. Today we are going to learn web development or web programming. So, in this tutorial we are going to learn what is a web page, how it look like and how the web pages are developed, what are the things needed to develop a web page and what are the different types of web pages. So, first of all, let's see what are the web pages. So, one of the basic web page is which all we know is the YouTube. Another one is the Facebook, and other example is bloggers. So these are some of the web pages or website we normally use. So something which is present on the internet and which we browse are the websites. So how these websites are built? There are different approaches from which a web pages can be built. One of the basic approach is the HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. This is the very basic thing which a web developer need to know and understand, because without it a person cannot develop a web page. So for a beginners, HTML is the very basic thing a person need to know. Other approaches from which a person can develop a web page is PHP, ASP.NET and a JavaScript. And there are many more, sorry, and there are many more from which one can develop a web pages. These are some of the most popular ones. So let's see the type of the web pages. There are but basically two types of web pages, basic one and another one is the complex one. Basic web page is one which just shows the particular text or images, just like a blog of a particular person which shows the picture which he has captured, or he has written some written material which gives particular guidelines to a particular society or something else. These are the basic web pages which does not hold any data. Another one is the complex web pages. Complex web pages are the web pages which have the data along with its front end. Back end is the database and front end is the web page. The role of the back end is to provide the information which are required by the web pages. So let's see the example of the complex web pages. So YouTube is one of the very important example of complex web page. Suppose we enter movie trailers of 2016 in the search bar of the YouTube. The web page of the YouTube sends a message to the server that is at the back end. We hold the all data related to this movie trailers, and after retrieving that it shows to us. That means it does not only showing the data but it is also contacting to the backend server. So this is the complex web page. Another example is the Facebook, which also uses our credentials like our email address, phone number, which is stored at the server. And when the user entered its username and password, and after that they matches that one that is stored in the Facebook database, then we can log in. This is also a complex web page. Another, we can see a blogger. This can be a basic web page which just shows the images or written text to the users It can also be a complex if one makes it. So these are the example of the basic and the complex web pages. So in this tutorial we have seen what is the web development, what are the things needed to develop a web page, and what are the types of the web pages. So in our next tutorial we are going to learn very basic and important thing which a web developer need to know, that is HTML, hypertext markup language. So friends, stay tuned with us till the next tutorial. Thank you.